In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Gumroad. If you're new to Gumroad, it's a platform that makes it simple to sell or buy digital products, memberships, and more. I'll walk you through the sign-up process clearly and share a few tips so you can get set up with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and go directly to gumroad.com. Typing the address yourself is a good habit to avoid lookalike sites. Once the page loads, make sure you're actually on Gumroad's homepage and that your connection is secure. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider using a private window so your session doesn't get saved. On the homepage, look for the option to begin creating your account. You'll typically see a button labeled Sign Up, Start Selling, or Get Started. They all route you to the same account creation flow. Click the button and you'll land on the registration screen where you can choose how you want to sign up. Here, you can create an account with your email and a password, or use a social login, like signing in with Google. If you pick email and password, you'll manage your login details directly on Gumroad. If you choose a social login, you'll authenticate through that provider, which can be convenient if you prefer fewer passwords to remember. Either way works. Pick what you're most comfortable with and what you'll easily remember later. Next, enter your details. Provide a valid email address you actually check, since you'll need it for verification and account notifications. Create a strong, unique password. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using the same password you use elsewhere. If prompted, review the terms, conditions, and privacy policy, then agree to them to proceed. Taking a moment to understand what you're consenting to is always a good idea. After submitting your information, look for a verification email from Gumroad in the inbox of the address you used. Open that message and click the Verify or Confirm button to finalize your account setup. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder, or refresh your inbox. Still nothing? Use the Resend option on the sign-up page. Once verified, your account is active and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully created your Gumroad account. You can now sign in and start exploring the platform at your own pace.